are you all? I hope all are safe. What we seen in the previous science class, ma? Yes, very good children. We have seen in the previous class our cloth lesson, hearts and life skills question answer. Okay children, today we are going to see a completely new lesson, safety and first aid. So children, what is safety? Yes, very good. Security is usually a precautionary measure. Security is considered to be essential for all the functions of our lives. I repeat this. Security is usually a precautionary measure. Security is considered to be essential for all the functions of our lives. Accidents and injuries may happen at any time and anywhere. So, we have to be prepared for any emergency. If you follow safety rules, you can prevent many accidents. Children, tell me the answer to this question. Where do accidents happen? Accident engala nadakudhu? Yes. Accident can happen not only on the road but at home if you are not careful. Children, நம்ம எங்கெல்லாம் கேர்லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்கிறோமோ அங்கெல்லாம் ஆக்சிடென்ட் நடக்குது. Children, now we are going to learn home safe home. So children, let's follow the rules given below to be safe at home. First, we are going to learn kitchen rules. Look at the first rule. Never play with knives or matchsticks. An adult to teach you how to use a knife. எப்போதும் நம்ம மேட்ச்ஸ்டிக்ஸ் அண்ட் நைஃப்பில் விளையாடக்கூடாது. எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு பெரியவங்களை கேட்டால் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். Children, which clothes catch fire easily? Yes, very good. Synthetic cloths catch fire easily. Already you know children, synthetic cloths are rayon and nylon. So we wear cotton clothes when you have to be near a fire because cotton cloth not catch fire easily. And next point, never play with electrical sockets. Next, when something spills on the floor, wipe it off immediately or someone may slip and fall. For example, water and oil. Do not leave things on the floor because someone may slip and fall. Next point, never climb on tables and chairs. Always use a step ladder to reach things stored on high shelves. Okay children, next we are going to see bathroom safety rules. Look at the first point. Keep the bathroom floor clean and dry when not in use. Second, always place the soap, shampoo and so on back in their place after use. Do not touch electrical gadgets or switches if your hands are wet because you could get a shock. So don't touch electrical switches. Do not touch clean materials because they could hurt you or make you very sick. For examples are clean materials, mop, bucket, rubber gloves and clothes. Next, around the house. Do not play on terrace and balconies with low walls, weak railing and so on. You might fall. Do not play with things that break easily like glass. If a glass item breaks, call an adult to clear the broken glass immediately. ஸோ சில்ட்ரன் கிளாஸ் ஐட்டம் வச்சு விளையாடும்போது அது உடஞ்சிருச்சுன்னா அதை உடனடியாக இமீடியட்டாக என்ன பண்ணணும்னா க்ளீன் பண்ணிடணும். Do not leave toys lying on the floor. Someone might trip and fall. Do not eat medicines or other things without asking an adult. Someone medicines could harm you. Do not play games like football or cricket inside the house. You could break a window or hurt someone. Okay students, see you again in the next class. Thank you.